I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Okay, I got a crack. It goes from there down to there. So I want to put a piece of plate over the top of that, and the only plate that I've got is a chunk of this angle iron, and I'll cut one leg off of it, like so. So let's set this there. Okay, I'm going to have a piece that sits like that. Yep, that's going to cover it. Now this, I'm going to cut off about like that. Then I want to cut it to length of about here. That way I'll have it end on a flat spot. I'll be able to weld onto this right here, up this side, across there. I will try and tack this together, but I'm thinking I'm going to have to go with a fish plate because this is really thin. It's like razor edge. Okay, so first thing I want to do is cut this down. Like that. So I'll take that off of the bandsaw. Rip up here. Now first, I'll cut this angle off here. Then I'll cut this here. Then I'll rip up the side. we go. Nice little plate stick on there. But before we do this, I want to get the other part ready. Put it right up there on top of the furnace. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.